cold out here. Welcome to base camp. Tonight, on this very cold evening, we're gonna make some black bean clams to warm us up. Okay, we have our fermented black beans, we have our minced ginger, we have our minced garlic, and we have our green bell peppers, and we have our red chili pepper. And also you're gonna want some green onion. You're gonna want some sake. Over here, you're gonna have light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, pinch of salt, a little bit of sugar. And this right here is your potato flour mixture with water. This is to thicken up the sauce. Here's the main ingredients, the clams. These are manila clams, bought them from the supermarket today. You want to make sure that you don't have any open clams, because if you have open clams, that means they're dead. Drop them in. And we're gonna give it a stir. So what you want to do is let these clams boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're gonna know they're done when all the clams are opened up. And again, if any clams do not open up, you want to take that out and toss it out. Alright, you see they're all opened up now and it's kind of bubbling, so that's how you could tell. You see? Alright, so now we're going to take these clams out. Very important step. You come back to the pot. You want to save this this clam, I call it clam juice. It's all the essence of the clam now in this water. So this is what you're going to use to make that delicious black bean sauce. Now it's time to make the sauce. And to make the sauce, we're going to use a wok. We're going to get this nice and hot. Oil in the pan. Should be good. So you want to stir this because it's very, very fragrant, very aromatic. All that chili's going into my throat. Woo! Now, once you get this, all right, it's smelling really good. So the next step is we gotta add the clam juice. You want to add 2/3 cup of clam juice, just like this. Now we add dark soy sauce, and also light soy sauce. A pinch of salt. We gotta thicken this up, and we get the potato flour and make sure to mix it with the water. 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of potato starch, potato flour. Throw it in. And then watch as that sauce thickens. Alright, let's put a little sake. Put a little sake. Just a little bit of sugar, a teaspoon of sugar, a little bit more. I want to make sure to taste it too, so get a finger. Tasting great. Add the clams. Also add green onion. You guys have it. Black bean clams. Homemade black bean sauce. Perfect for these winter nights when the weather's cool outside. Got nice and hot clams. Enjoy. Alright, so All right, guys, let's try this. Let's try this clam out now. It's perfect. Got the saltiness of that black bean. You got that kick with the red chili and the sauce. Remarkable. Only thing I'm missing is a bowl of steamed rice. Alright, so there you have it, clams with black bean sauce. Hope you guys enjoyed these black bean clams, and remember, base camp barbecue. We're researching the base so you don't have to.